Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. RNA polymerase in humans, and their major products. So first one being the RNA polymerase 1. So major product here is the rRNA, the rRNA. Next one being the RNA polymerase 2. So here it is a mRNA, there is a miRNA as well as a snRNA as well as a lncRNA. Then we're moving on to the phase 3. It includes the tRNA and the 5S RNA. tRNA and the 5S RNA. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.